Hey guys, my name is Bhavesh and welcome to Built on Shopify. In this video, I will show you how you can add a product to your Shopify store step by step. But before that, if you haven't already signed up for Shopify, I'll put a link in the description that will give you the best deal that is currently available. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go to products and click on add a product. Now here on this page, you will be adding all the details that are relevant to your product, including your product title, description, images, and much more. So the first detail that we are going to enter here is the title. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be uploading a product which is a plain t-shirt which is available in multiple colors so that I can show you how you can add different variants as well. So let me first put in the title. So I've used a very simple title that explains my product, and also you can put in some keywords that will help you with the SEO. So in the description, you need to mention a few things like what are you selling, what are the materials that are used, what is the USP of your product, what are the advantages and the benefits of your product, and finally some shipping information. The next thing that you can do here is upload the product images. Now make sure that you use high quality images because high quality images will help you make a good first impression in front of your customers. If you want to learn how to add a video to your product page, then click the button here. The next section is the pricing. Now there are two ways that you can add a pricing. You can either add a simple straightforward pricing, which I'm doing here right now. Let's say I want to sell this t-shirt for $15 and I'll just put in $15. Or if you want to show that you're providing some discounts, then what you can do is you can add a higher price in this compare at price section. What this will do is, let's say I'm putting in $20. So on my store, it will appear as if the t-shirt is for $20, but the customers are getting a $5 discount. Now, while you're pricing your products, you need to keep a few things in mind. You need to do your competitors' research to find out the price at which your competitors are selling the same product at. Secondly, you need to also consider the value that you're providing to your customer. Now here you can either charge tax on this product, which the customer will have to pay, or if you uncheck this box, then you can include the taxes in the product price. Now you also have to be mindful about what is going to be the shipping cost, whether you are providing free shipping or you're going to charge extra on the shipping. I will be providing free shipping, so I've already considered the shipping cost in the product price. Here is a small profit calculator. Let's say I'm planning to sell this t-shirt for $15 and the t-shirt cost is only $5 and the shipping cost is $3. So the total is $8 and you can see that my profit will be $7 at a 46.7% margin. This section is only for you and it will not be visible to your customers. Now we come to the inventory section. You can either track your quantities or you cannot. I will use the track quantity option for now, and let's say I have 20 t-shirts, so I'll put in 20 as the quantity. Now you can continue to sell even if you're out of stock by clicking on this checkbox here. I would only recommend you to select it if you know that your product shipment is coming in a day or two. So I'll uncheck this for now. Finally, if you have an SKU or barcode for your product, you can enter it here. Since I don't have it, I'll uncheck this. We finally come to the shipping section. So here, since this product is a physical product, I'll have to enter in the weight and other details. So for weight, I'm just gonna put in 0.5 kg. You can also select different options here. You can add in pounds, ounces or grams. For now, I'll select 0.5 kg. Now we come to the variant section where you can add variants like size and color. For this particular product, I'll show you how you can add sizes and different colors. So let's select size. And we can add all different sizes that are available such as S, M, L and XL for now. Click on done and your size variant has been added. Now let's add the colors. Let's select colors. The option name is going to remain as colors. I'll add in different colors like black, I have white and I have blue. So let me select blue and white and I'll click on done. So as you can see, the variants have been added. Now here you can see that there are different sizes and variants. Now what you can do is you can add individual pictures to these variants, but for now you can see that this is grouped by size. So what I'll do is I'll click here and group it by color. So now we have all the variants and colors and we can select pictures for each color. Now that we have added the images for all the different variants, we can even set different prices for all these variants. So let's say if we want to sell XL at $17, we can do it here and it will change the pricing for all the different colors in this particular size. Finally, you have your search engine listing. Now if you edit this, you will see three options, which is your page title, meta description and URL. In the page title, you can add in your store name or some extra relevant keywords. You can also add in the description and make sure that your URL is relevant to your product title. And with this, we'll just click the save button here or here and we have created our product. Now by clicking on this view button, let's quickly take a look at what this product is going to look like. So here it is showing sold out because we forgot to add the quantity for this particular size and color. Let's quickly go back and do that. And then click on save. And with this, you've added your products to your Shopify store. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click on the like button and hit the subscribe button for more such videos. And again, if you haven't already signed up for Shopify, I've put the link with the best current deal available in the description below.